Look, you've got a wonderful facility here, a wonderful service, but people would probably be asking how they come to see you. How do they go about getting to make an appointment?
All right, well, for the patient, it is a private service, so it is expensive, and most people who come here do have insurance, but not everyone. Some people prioritise spending some money on their health as a very useful thing. It's better to have a referral from your doctor. The reason for that is then we know all the information about you, have got all your medications, all the things that have been wrong with you in the past, and it allows us to give you a better opinion and better outcome. For general practitioners, the electronic referral system is being used very successfully, and most of you are very familiar with that. We're able to respond to you very quickly as it's checked all the time.